Hi there, this is Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. We talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. So if you haven't been to this site, it's www.IamWealthyandRich.com. You can see previous videos and also get the millionaire mindset and the investment strategy training for free. So what I want to do what I do is talk about cryptocurrency portfolio updates, something I do on a daily basis. So let's go to the spreadsheet. But before I continue, just going to do the disclaimer. I'm not a financial planner, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a accountant or CPA, so make sure you do your own due diligence, your own research. And make sure you don't invest more money than you can afford to lose. So the last few days have been red days. The market has gone down. So what we do, let's have a look at today's figure. So this is where I get the figures from, coming from a live feed into an asset group. So we get the final figures here. This portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin, an assortment of specially selected, specially researched alternative coins or altcoins, and we've got the totals here. So US dollars, this is British pounds or pound sterling. This is a percentage split, which is dynamic. Although it was set at 25.75, but it's now moved to 21.79 because the altcoins have shot ahead a little bit faster than Bitcoin. Anyway, let's get this figure here: 187,801.89. So 187,000. Let's put today's date in there. Got it. What is it called? 187,801.87. 187,801.87. So, yeah. Let's bring this down. Oh, this is also down on base minus 6,000. So that's okay. That's going to stay red. So we're still on a downtrend. 236,984,033. 286,984 and 84. What am I doing here? 236, not 286. 236. And this is 984. Right, let's double check that. 206, 984. Yeah, great. Down, so that is also down. So basically we've had Bitcoin's up a little bit at $600, $660, but altcoins are down dramatically and by $6,613, and the total portfolio is down $5,952. So that's the update for today. Let's take a look at the markets. So the market cap of the whole cryptocurrency market cap is still at 2.2 trillion, 2.25 trillion, which is very good and very powerful if you consider where it was 18 months ago, or in March 2020. It was basically like almost a tenth of this, about 250 billion. So it's great, like it's grown, tenfold, and it has been up to 3 trillion. It's come down, contracted. With the markets, after every contraction, there's an expansion. After every expansion, there's a contraction. It's just part and parcel of the way the markets work. And Bitcoin is no different. It took a massive dip yesterday, but it wasn't just Bitcoin, it's the whole market took a dip. People keep thinking Bitcoin took a dip, but although Bitcoin is 40% of the market, but the whole industry, the whole cryptocurrency space took a dip, and it's starting to recover. we're probably going to have a few humps here before we recovers. So it was going up this trend line. Now this trend line has been broken. Now, is it going to continue back into the trend line and continue, or is it going to go in another direction? We shall see. The Gaussian channel, as I said last video, talk about it crashing into the Gaussian channel, in which it hasn't been in there since October, beginning of October, and it's gone back in there. And usually what that means, it stays in there for a while at least. So that could be holding it back, stopping it from recovering quickly. Interesting thing is this particular candle here, which is still got part of the body inside the Gaussian channel, expires in 6 hours, 38 minutes. So we're going to see where the new candle starts. Will it start, inside the tunnel or outside the tunnel? Right, outside the channel, we'll see. If it starts inside the tunnel, then it's going to be continuation of more of the same in that direction. Is that good or is it bad? It depends on how you invest it. There's nothing bad about it. There's nothing good about it. It depends on how you invest it. Again, this moving day average, the 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average, have obviously they crossed upwards. It's created a golden cross back in September 13th. Now, based on the price action and this downward trend, they could meet in the future again, these two lines, sometime in January. They could, if it carries on in the direction it's going right now. It could meet, and then it could be another downtrend. But at the moment, this is where it is. It's right here. So it hasn't reached. These are just dotted lines, just projections. Doesn't mean they haven't come true yet, because if the price goes up, these were going to split apart. But the way things are looking at the moment, it looks like it could be heading for a death cross. We call this a death cross when the green crosses over the red. It's called a death cross, which means there's going to be a downtrend for some time, triggers a downtrend. But it hasn't crossed yet, so we're still here. And we shall see, where the next few days. If it comes down, like I said, continues in this downward trend, then yes. Yes, this indicator shows that we're still in an uptrend. It shows a massive spike that happened, and as the downtrend happened, the red on top means that we're in a downtrend. Green on top means we're in an uptrend. So we're in a downtrend. It's kind of tapered off a little bit, so we need this to come back down and the uptrend part to come back up so it can meet. But right now it looks like a massive mouth that's open very wide, and this yellow line indicates the strength of this trend. So this trend is pretty strong, is what we're trying to say. This trend, this direction of going down is quite intense. That's what this yellow line indicates. So we shall see. But right now it has tapered off a little bit. We shall see whether it starts to come down, then hopefully this will start to flatten. And what we're looking for, what people would like to see, we're looking for, is the green on top, like here, and the red at the bottom. When that happens, then we're in an uptrend again. But we're waiting for that cross. When we have the green cross over the red, and the green is on top, then we've got an uptrend coming. But now at the moment, everything looks kind of bearish, and can recover in terms of price action. But like I said, it also depends on how you are invested. Anyway, don't forget to visit we'll keep an eye on this and on the direction in which the market's going. But right now, red is on top, so it's quite bearish for the short term. This is a short term view. Let's have a look. So don't forget to visit our website, IamWealthyandRich.com, and scroll down and fill in the short form, get your millionaire mindset investment strategy free. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video if you like this content. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you. Thanks very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.